Hi! In this tutorial, we are going to create an isometric grid in Adobe Illustrator. First, activate the Rectangle tool. In the Properties panel, set the stroke to 1 and the fill to none. If you don't see the Properties panel, go to Window and select Properties. Next, click once on the artboard to open the dialog box. Set the width to 10 pixels, the height to 1000 pixels, and then click OK. In the Properties panel, click Vertical Align Center. Right-click on the rectangle shape and select Transform, Move. In the dialog box, set the horizontal value to 10 pixels, the angle to 0 degrees, and click Copy. Then, press Ctrl-D on Windows or Command-D on Mac 20 times to repeat the duplication command. Select all by pressing Ctrl-A on Windows or Command-A on Mac. Group them by pressing Ctrl-G or Command-G. Double-click the Rotate tool to open the dialog box. Set the angle to 60 degrees, then click Copy. Press Ctrl-D on Windows or Command-D on Mac to repeat the duplication command. Select all and group them again. Next, create a rectangle. Align it to the center and align the isometric grid as well. We are going to snap the rectangle to the intersection corners of the isometric grid. Zoom in on the artboard using Alt-Scroll up on Windows or Option-Scroll up on Mac for a better view. To snap the rectangle accurately, go to View, deactivate Snap to Pixel, then activate Snap to Point. Next, select the rectangle and drag each side until it accurately snaps to the grid intersection corners. Adjust the width of the isometric grid according to your needs. Once you're done, press Ctrl-0 on Windows or Command-0 on Mac to fit the artboard within the window. Select all and group them. In the Properties panel, click Divide, then ungroup by pressing Ctrl-Shift-G on Windows or Command-Shift-G on Mac. Select any unwanted parts and press Delete on your keyboard. Then select all and group them again. To enlarge the isometric grid proportionally, hold Alt-Shift on Windows or Option-Shift on Mac while dragging the handle. If you want to convert the isometric grid into guides, go to View, Guides, Make Guides. To prevent unintentional movement of the guides, go to View, Guides, Lock Guides. And there you go. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.